Hello children, this is St. Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. I am teaching maths since last 30 years. My motto to explain all the mathematics in a very simple manner so that all the children can understand easily. Already coordinate geometry section formula is going on. In the previous class I have done I think 4 sums. Now next number 5 sum I am doing. All sums are different. I am not doing the similar type of sums. So that with the minimum number of sums I can cover the chapter. This is question of 5 is very different. Important also, there also board question, CBSE 2007. You have to understand very well and very carefully. In what ratio? The question is that you have to find the ratio. Does the line is given? Divide the line segment joining this and this. In what ratio these 2 points divide the line segment? This one. Let one line is given. It is x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. You have to understand well. And this is dividing this line. This is point is given, A given. Rough drawing it is, all of you. It is rough drawing. 3 minus 1. And here is given B, what is 8, 9. Just rough drawing I have done. Actually 8, 9 is the first quadrant, but rough drawing is there. So I have drawn this. So you have to find the ratio. This is to this. Okay, this is to this. In what ratio it is divided? That you have to find out. Now let ratio be k is to 1. I told you already, whenever you have to find the ratio, always take k is to 1. It is easy to you. Let ratio be k is to 1. And the point is given 3 minus 1 and B 8 and 9. And what to do? We have to apply the section formula. Apply section formula. Okay. Now what is formula? Remember all of you, m x2, m what is k? So k x2 is 8 plus n is 1, x1 means 3 by k plus 1, comma, what is the second one? my2, m is k, so k is dot 9 plus 1 into minus 1 by k plus 1. That means what is coming here? It is coming 8k plus 3 by k plus 1, comma 9k minus 1 by k plus 1. Now see, I got the points. But this point I got it. This point. This is. But this point is not given. If some values are given here, I can compare with this. The previous one sum I've done. I got the ratio and something was given. I have compared and I got the value of k. But here not given that one. What is given? It is given one equation. That point lies on this equation, but this point passes through this line. You have to understand, this point passes through this line. That means this point must satisfy the equation. So this is actually x, this is actually y. So xy is given. So these two values I have to put in place of x, in place of y. Then we have to solve it. Then we'll get the value of k. So next page I am rubbing this. Good question. See, what is the equation? Equation is given x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So this point passing through this line. So this I can easily put in place of x and y. Any point lies on this line, it must satisfy this. This is a core concept. X minus y minus 2. X is 8k plus 3 by k plus 1 minus 9k minus 1 by k plus 1 and minus 2 equal to 0. To take that side, easy for you. Now take LCM k plus 1. What is coming here? 8k plus 3 minus 9k plus 1. Many students will do mistake over here. They write minus, then write 9k minus 1. No, because minus is there, sign will change, that you remember. So minus 10k, for this minus becomes plus. Now equal to 2 is given. We have to solve this. 8k minus 9k is k. minus k 3 plus 1 4, and this cross multiply 2k plus 2 is coming. So what is coming? Minus k minus 2k, 2 minus 4, that means minus 3k equal to minus 2, implies that minus minus cancel, k equal to 2 by 3. K equal to what is? 2 by 3. K means k is to 1, k by 1 I can say. That means therefore I can say ratio is 2:3 is your answer. So understand, this is very different. What to do? We have to apply the section formula, that points you have got it, that you have to put in place of x and y, they have to solve it, then you will get the value of k. That is ratio is 2:3. I think clear, children? Then we come for next sum. Hello children. If the points a minus 11, one point P is given a minus 11, Q 5B, R is given 215, and 1 1 are the vertices of parallelogram, short form here, parallelogram. Find A and B. This is the parallelogram. It is P, Q, R, S is given. Okay. Now what to do? How to find AB? You know, already properties I explained you. This is the diagonal, and diagonal bisect equally. That means this part and this part is equal, and this part and this part is also equal. Okay, understand? So PQRS is given. What to do? We have to find the midpoint of PR and also find the midpoint of QS. Find the midpoint of PR, find the midpoint of QS, then we have to compare to get the value of A and B. I think concept is clear. What to do? Find the midpoint of PR. So midpoint of PR. I am not writing here PQ again, or write down this for you, good for you. A comma minus 11. What is Q? 5 comma B. What is R? 2 comma 15. What is S? 1 comma 1. Midpoint of P and R. You draw the figure, convenient for you to understand. So PR, midpoint find out. P and R. So A plus 2 by 2 comma 11 minus 11 plus 15 by 2. What is coming? A plus 2 by 2, and it is coming 4. 4 by 2 means 2. I got this value. Clear? So midpoint of P and R, what is? A plus 2 by 2, and got 2. Clear? Now we have to find the midpoint of QS. Midpoint of QS. Midpoint of Q and S. Okay. Midpoint of QS you have to find out. See what is coming? Midpoint of QS. Q is given 5, here 1. So 5 plus 1 by 2. Here given, here also 1. This is also 1. So B plus 1 by 2. So what is coming? 3 coming here. Here coming B plus 1 by 2. Now this is also midpoint. This is also midpoint. So both the points lies where? Lies at this point. So both the points are same. I will compare these two. I have to compare these two. So therefore what I can say? A plus 2 by 2 equal to 3 I can say. This is equal to this I can say, because these 2 points are same. So these 2 values are same. So if I say A plus 2 by 2 equal to 3, so A plus 2 equal to 6. A equal to what is? 6 minus 2, 4. So what I got the value of A? 4 I got. Clear, children? If any doubt, please tell me in comment box. Now next part is 2 equal to B plus 1 by 2. And what I can say? 2 equal to B plus 1 by 2. So 4 equal to B plus 1. So B equal to what is? 4 minus 1, 3 I got. So value of A is 4. Value of B is 3. I think you are clear this sum. This is also important. Little different type sums coming in the exam also. Sometimes these 3 values is given. This you have to find out. That time this value is given. So or by comparing these 2 values. Okay. We have to find x1, y1. So these type of sums, or out of these 4, 3 should be given, 1 you have to find out. These types of also coming in the board exam. So please practice this sum very well. In the next sums, little bit I will do, and the rest I will give the homework to you. for practice. Okay, then coming for next sum. This is another sum. The line segment joining the points A and B. So A here, B is here, A and B. Okay, trisected, different question. Trisected means three parts. So one part here, three equal parts are there. Okay, trisected means three parts divided at the points P and Q. That means this is P and this is Q. Okay, A is given, B is given, P also given to you, and Q also given to you. You have to find the value of P and Q. How to find? At first, you have to write at point P. Okay, I'll explain you, but this is your homework. You understand? At point P. How to find P? If I say AP is to PB, if I say AP is to PB, yes. What I can say? 1 is to 2 or 3. No, sorry, 1 is to 2. AP is to PB means this is one part and this is two part. What is the ratio? 1 is to 2. Okay, 1 is to 2. A already we know what is A. A value is given 3 minus 4, and what is the value of B? 1 and 2. Apply the section formula with this and this. Apply the section formula. You will get some values. You will get some values. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. You will get some value that compare with the value of this. First one with the first one, you will get the value of P. Okay, you will get the value of P. Now next, what to do? You will complete this yourself. Section formula you have to apply. Whatever value you will give, you will get it. That the first one compare with this P, you will get the value of P. And the second part, what is? At Q. At Q. When I say Q, that time what is the ratio? Q is given. Q what is given? This is given. At Q means what is? AQ is to QB. That means 2 is to 1. Ratio changed. When I will find the Q point, the ratio is changed. Here it 1 is to 2. Here is 2 is to 1. And AB is same. A is 3 minus 4 and B is 1, 2. Again apply the same section formula. You will get some values. That value you have to compare with this. First one is 5 by 3 will come, and second one something different will come, that is equal to Q. Then you will get the value of Q. So please children, you complete, this is your homework. Once you practice this chapter, this is your homework, you will do this with the board question. It is given in the book of Abel Agarwal, CBSE 2005. Okay, goodbye children.